Hey guys, hope you're all doing great. Today I am replacing the CV axles on my 4Runner. So these here are the factory Toyota axles, and I'm going to be putting these back in. And currently I have some aftermarket CVs installed on the 4Runner that I got from Rock Auto, and they're pretty much brand new. They've only been on the car for just a couple months. Let me show you why I'm replacing them. So there's my CV right there. So you'll notice right away it's already starting to rust, which it's not that big of a deal. It just looks terrible considering they're pretty much brand new. But if you look right there, right here, you'll notice that the boot is ripped. And guess what? That's not the only one that's ripped. If we look at the other side, on the driver's side, you'll notice that it's ripped in the exact same spot. And like I said, these CVs are brand new. When I first installed them, they looked fine. I drove around town, no issues. And then I went off-roading one time, and while we were out, like by the time we got to the end of the trail, I came out, I looked underneath, and I noticed that both boots were ripped in the exact same spot. If it was just the one, I would think, okay, maybe it's just a bad boot or whatever, but both of them ripped in the exact same spot. So yeah, I'm just gonna replace them with my factory CVs. And then these axles, the ones that are ripped, the reason why I bought them in the first place was because, first of all, they were pretty inexpensive, but they also offer a lifetime warranty. The only problem with that is because I got it online from Rock Auto, I can replace them with warranty, but I have to pay for the shipping to send these back. And the shipping is like half the price of the axle. So kind of sucks, but I'm probably gonna just do it anyway, get the new CVs, and then I'll just keep those as spares. So yeah, let's get to work and put the factory CVs back in. All right, guys, I'm all done. I got both sides in. So hopefully these factory CVs last longer than the aftermarket ones. We'll see. But yeah, that wraps up this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.